Mama wakwaba medi ede adwa sechi ene ne de kanya wo de ehwe me a mesro na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emia be one so we be notification ene sa ne news de betum bia wo be nya bi atie anase wo be nya bi ahwe ewo GCN page ha Madam Marie Buadu ena okase na madam we me penasem yie pa de enti a me penasem ne se oye NDC ni but NDC for yade na se enya oka Madam Marie Buadu ena okase na ne nsem a okenya ne se Sammy Gyamfi a oye communication director de ma NDC amayoko no ena fe so NDC communicators ni bi no omo eye hypocrites omo eye nyatwom a enya asem keto akra Nienti a Marie Buadu eka se ina ne se o kire se obe join NDC party no enche bia but obai no wa beti ensem bebre ensem ni bia obeti ene se Reverend Owusu Bempa ene oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama wa yan wo Ghana ha no papa chese oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama wa nka he na Reverend Owusu Bempa esine so ene atem didi a wedi oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama wo Ghana ha no enya asem keto akra na eye Reverend Owusu Bempa na semba ya NDC fo ni bi communicators ni bi etumi ekọ supporting no ama na wen se NDC fo omo enyacho na adofudie nti a eye Madam Marie Buadu eka se no emu enchiremuni na sen ye beka ya Reverend Owusu Bempa na mame agrada omo enya ensem bi ewo Ghana hanom na ewo ensem ni mu no police fo ekoche Reverend Owusu Bempa ena nasofo ni bi edomo ekogu na Marie Buadu kire se abra Reverend Owusu Bempa epie eba bonten no NDC fo omo lawyer baako opena sempanti omboni din sa lawyer no ekoka NPP fo omo lawyer our friend lawyer ni makoho na omo eka asem ni bi ede ema Reverend Owusu Bempa afenso Sammy Gyamfi ekotena TV so eka asem ni bi ede ema Reverend Owusu Bempa enti no eye Marie Buadu kire se sad na NDC fo omo eye no wadwe ho a onte ase because Reverend Owusu Bempa obi a why your man penny dada ewo Ghana hanom papa ene atem didi all jan left right center enya semketo akra chese ene o man penny dada John Dramani Mahama ena Reverend Owusu Bempa omwani enhia nti eba ne sen ena Reverend Owusu Bempa enya asema NDC communicators ni bi ena Sammy Gyamfi a wo ye penny eda communication team na no mokoka eye NPP lawyer ho na mudi asem no anase mo kan asem bibi ede ema Reverend Owusu Bempa no ena Marie Buadu kire se sad na NDC fo omo eye no eya asem ena omo eka de akire Ghana fo na omo kire se de omo ye no pa kire se Ghana politics no eye game kire se opem asem na me pe wasem o mpe masem a me mpe wasem enti no Madam Marie Buadu kire se dia NDC fo omo eye no omo anye ni ye because the omo ye no eye Reverend Owusu Bempa de oni NDC fo omo nka nti aba ne sen e na wanya asema mokoka bi e ma no na omo de eye owura IGP dampare ne ho yaw e na eye sa dampare ne ho ebufu e na ne ho yaw nti na omo de kan asem ni bi e de e ma eye Reverend Owusu Bempa ne nti ensema Marie Buadu e de etudwa
wombedi di atem because osofu Owusu Bempa ebedi di President Mahama atem yesi pap yesi Owusu me desa me mete ha nti me minim nanse na me ba party na me afi na me hu niema wenum nyina yesi Owusu Bempa o sha ase didi President Mahama atem enye ne nanso nanse ya one agrada asem yi ba yenya NDC lawyer ni bi ene de me money din basa mo catch them me kote wo baby say mo sem meboa na ya ba bebo because I have the video ni nyina ukwa ewo some of you might know NDC lawyer American Asem but yenya NDC lawyer a wo ben President Mahama okọ radio so kokasa okọ TV so kokasa eko support Gary ni mako Owusu Bempa lawyer eba ne den na NDC lawyer ni obi adidi John Mahama atem wadidi papa ya temwa NDC for grassroots mu base nyina abo afu dodo na abo afu na se wakwa getting itself into trouble wo baby a jano oba befa wo lawyer kura decline it tell them say you decline your services unfa wo services emma no Because at all times you must remember, say base nete and now base ni who are. How will people feel and what signal are you sending? Now me sabe me betina hanam bedi di President Mahama atem. Right? Me ba bedi di President Mahama atem. Na Asem oba. Na NDC lawyer bi ba be support me a. Na kire se wankasa so ofu abone so. Ofu abone so. Yet yenya NDC lawyer yi me pena Asem ntimi money din. Ba mo bebre mu ni mi pa akro. Ekoko support because Gary Nimako said it on radio. And no actually kura, yeah, who NDC lawyer ya make wasemi. One kasa so kura, you went to some of the 3 stations. You were granting interviews. Why? Because at that time, no, na eya mo say mo bu fu IGP dampare. Na eya mo say mo bu fu dampare. Empo Sammy Gyamfi. Kura de na no to asem no mu bi. And so Sammy Gyamfi, you know, say you represent the NDC. You know, so we represent the NDC. And in as much as we personal views, you know. I that say we babe kebia, we be magana nyina te wo ya ho ase say the views here me babe say these are my personal views and have nothing to do with the NDC. But Sammy Gyamfi be share the views. He never said they were his personal views. Enti me Marie say me te ha na meetie Sammy Gyamfi interview efa owusu bempa asem no. I was shocked. Because what I was saying to myself is nenye nipa ni yesi wedi John Mahama atemo no. And suddenly wakwakodi and some fubi and as a more agree and more agree kurana, you can't keep it to yourself and you are airy because na mufu say mo ye dampare. But mo referee say mo send this signal be out. See, why won't people continue insulting President Mahama? Why won't
Afeidie honorable hopes na no ye target na besesa then necessary because enam ni insolence any ni too no oyenti onyame aye wadom na we so the security people failed. I won't hide that. That bang wine crown or just a sebi ekufu adom mano crown. How many of them can go in the presidential jet? Na wowaba oba impersonating. Oh, Mr. President, I'm the NPP women organizer in Canada, and I come to visit. Please, now President. So, oh, they said so many good things about you. Oh, and yeah, Sadia, you're quite Kumase, and today and the NSU, and a President say, I will do this one-time favor. President Bonio, yeah, I don't know. I will do, since you are a party executive, I will do this one-time favor and let you travel with all of us. Yes, I want the president in Kwao. Travel with all of us in the presidential jet to Kumasi. So, chief of staff, John Buedu, so many people were on board in that plane. Now, one thing or no, say, Ora plane ni na no security channel. The pictures ya uchuche ni na ne channel. But only minyansa no person de be brage e de say ade enti ma me papa won the president ye tu kwan nipa wom wo bagina plane animu a na we twa Ghana ye aircraft no we gina animu ayeden etwa picture o twa picture na say be wan fan koma na ma me ana wo papa o na wo the picture na beto den wo de abeto social media and the intelligence so picking on me say wo nya kufu adoba wonye ne yere wonye sabe vice president yere uye nimu na ugina aircraft no ho de yeden enti sade a picture na wo de ato ho no ko yifiri ho boni agana for ye ni o a crime has been committed no de ba ye ni Sammy de munim se bibia kura me na me choose not to talk about this thing enti no suro me no enti na ye ya no me gbo mu anu akofre police me ne anu akofre police e mo me pepa na wa start wan hwe ya mi because onim se mi kuta no onim se mi kuta ni say che because I have all the fact, evidence, everything, including all the 56 text messages you sent to that number thinking, say, hey, Kufuadu Nikuta sa number, unim nyansenti, unim se president ni phone won. Nyansen no trimuntu nim se president, oni personal phone na, odi di personal komo, president ni personal komo. President ne yire Rebecca Krano, the one ne yensem one ne kanokra, some of them are transcripted. Say unim wa. President be and the words and his conversations are transcripted. But where Jimmy Fuel do social media, Jimmy Biombe Dinti, and I even have text message. He never replied you once, so shut up. And that, by the way, today let me break to you, wasn't Kufuadu's phone. Eh? Says critical guy, no umani diwokwa. Last nanka me boni din wa, ba me se me nyam boni din. Now the bodyguard no di wokwa.